This is my studio setup with the lights on, and this is the studio setup with the lights off. Okay, so I have a background in my studio that's actually my shelves with all the gear, lenses and gimbals, and they are lit with small lights like tubes and smaller pocket lights. And this is my desk where I film all my YouTube videos. And yes, I will be using FEELWORLD new system of cob lights. And yes, FEELWORLD sent me over these lights to actually make a useful tutorial and tip for you guys to actually understand my lighting setup, and you can replicate them with this same kind of light and get an amazing light scene. To illuminate the complete scene while I'm showing you the process of my studio lighting setup, I will put the FEELWORLD Softbox lantern 65 cm on the FEELWORLD FL125D cob light. The process is pretty straightforward, and we shall get a soft lantern look to illuminate gently the whole process. As you know, you need a main key light to actually illuminate yourself to stand out from the background and actually have a well-lit face. I will be using a bigger light and softbox for this setup. The light is the FEELWORLD FL220 big color light as my main source. The setup process is easy, and pretty much after you connect the adapter, you are ready to go. I'm using the FEELWORLD Parabolic softbox 90 cm with the included grids. The grids will make sure that you don't spill out your lights where you don't need them. I'm always using a secondary key light from my right side to actually get a well-exposed face. The FL125 big color light, so I can fine-tune my Kelvin value on the front. For this case, I'm also using a smaller matching softbox with the grids from FEELWORLD with a 60 cm softbox. This will give me a pleasant soft key light from the right, and also to illuminate some of the gear that I'm displaying while filming my YouTube video. To stand out from the background is only preferred to have a third light, the so-called backlight. So we will be using the FEELWORLD daylight variant with the reflector instead of the softbox. This will guarantee a great separation from my background and from my studio shelves to get a clean cut view. And that's it, and 3-point lighting in my studio made for you guys. Main key light, secondary key light and a backlight. And you can find all the links from the FEELWORLD lights with accessories in the link in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I will be happy to answer to all of them. And until my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bell icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.